Hello, everyone. Welcome to Life with Shannon. Thank you for clicking on today's video and showing your support. In today's episode, we'll be providing some super satisfying and motivating cleaning flowing from my home to yours. So let's go ahead and get right into Life with Shannon and cleaning motivation. First off, we're going to start off with a nutritious breakfast, trying to eat a little better where we can and cut out the bad where we feel like we can do that. And after we get done with our spinach and vegan cheese omelet, we're going to get into cleaning the floors. I picked up this little gadget from Amazon. It is an easy fur fighter around your home. It grabs hair and fur from those hidden, hard-to-reach areas. So comment down below what you use to keep the fingerprints off of your stainless steel kitchen appliances, because that seems to be the biggest thing with me, is the smudges and the dirty fingerprints that appear on my stainless steel appliances like almost every day, especially on the fridge and the microwave. So any recommendations that you want to share here on this channel with the community would be greatly appreciated. So I am currently researching for a formula that can stop the dirt and grime building up so much on my downstairs guest bathroom / powder room. And as soon as I discover what that may be, the solution, I will share that with everyone on the channel and in the community. Thank you, everyone, for showing support for my channel, especially if you've made it this far in the video. If you enjoyed the content, please hit that like button and subscribe. And come back for more cleaning motivation, do-it-yourselfers, decorating, in-store shopping from time to time, and furniture makeovers from time to time as well. Life with Shannon.